Wow, did a good job mopping. Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today let's do the mopping and vacuum test on the eufy C28 robot vacuum cleaner. Got some muddy paw prints, a bunch of dirt and debris and hair. We're going to see how well it vacuums and mops. Okay, we're going to see how the eufy C28 vacuum and mops this room. I've got the water turned up to high. Now it does not have a side brush that it extends. Not too bad of a job. I'll show a close-up. It's not going to go under that furniture because it is almost 4.5 inches tall. That piece of furniture is 4 inches tall. Now in the app, we can see right where it's cleaning. So the first thing it does is the perimeter of the room. Now it's going to go back and forth in the nice straight lines. All right. We can see the coverage with this. Now it doesn't do hot water mopping or anything. It's doing a pretty good job with the muddy. Wow, did a good job mopping. I really do love the eufy C28. I thought it did a good job of mopping up these muddy paw prints. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.